go. Dude!
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
No! No! Biggest fear in life! No, shut the camera off!
Look at it.
We got like some blue nail pop. What is up, guys? How are you doing? We're out here with RJ today. Psyche's on his lunch break. Just say hi.
Hey.
So,
we're just talking the mouthful.
look at that thing, huh? I bought a new 240.
First of all, you didn't. You already told me you didn't.
Okay.
When I saw it drive by, I panicked. Yeah. I was a little nervous.
I wish. I'd love another one, but.
Yeah, I would love one with that sweet carbon fiber trunk, too.
So today, to start off the day, we'll be tuning my buddy Brandon's S14, or S13, my bad. Fully built KA setup, big turbo. It should make some jam. We have to do a little bit of buttoning up and then we'll get on the dyno. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And it'll be a fun day because that thing should surprise us pretty well. But as you guys know, S13 has been the main goal. I've been working on this thing like over 10 hours a day for the last like week. It's been nuts. There's just so much work to do. And yesterday I didn't film it. I didn't really think it was that entertaining, but I got most of my interior back together and it looks beautiful. Look at it. Oh, it's been so long. I missed it so much. With the cage, it looks so good. Got the carpet in. All I need is the lower back seat piece right there. And we're ready to party. I mean, look at this, look at the shifter. It lines up pretty good in the stock location. Slightly farther back, but I like it. I'm so happy. Having the full interior is such a nice addition. Makes the car feel 1,000 times nicer. Now, the last thing we have to do is get this piece painted right here so we can get the rest of the front end back together. My coil conversion springs come in so I can get the cover back on and buttoned up, and hopefully this weekend we'll be on the dyno. And then we can work on the exterior stuff, of course, after that. This thing needs to go ASAP. I hate this panel so much. Everyone reminds me I have it. Yes, it's not there by choice. It just sucks. So the car no longer has spark. We replaced the distributor, the igniter coil, the igniter chip. We tested power at all of them. I all had it. Checked the crank signal. It has it. It has everything it needs to spark, but it won't spark. We've replaced everything. This is the worst. This is one of those like helpless feelings because we've done everything and it still doesn't want to spark. So I'm hoping it'll just magically start sparking out of nowhere. Just want to get this thing on the dyno.
A few moments later.
Hell yeah!
Yes.
We just diagged the car for probably the last 4 hours, and
It was my fault.
it was something completely stupid. It always is. We figured it out. The wire was actually cut to the signal to the distributor from the ECU, like very low key. We couldn't tell, and yeah. So now the car is running, and it's time to get tuned. About time. We've been really rushing to do this. So, what do you think here, Kenny? You've seen a lot of KATs at this point.
How much boost we trying to make?
It's on 14 pounds.
It's on spring?
It's on spring.
What size turbo?
I don't know. What size turbo is this?
57 mil.
57 mil precision turbo. Exact. Finally, the first real turbo we've seen on KA.
This is a real precision.
Real precision.
From precision?
Yep.
Trying to make like 400? So I made 350 on my shitty turbo at 14 pounds.
That much?
On my, you saw my fucking turbo? That thing has been on every
Yeah.
hoopty in New Haven.
Okay, so you guys know Kenny's KAT S14. We tuned it for like 8 pounds, and then Kenny, when I was gone, was like, let me turn the boost up and turn it up to like 14 pounds.
Yeah.
And I guess he made 350. So
Well, 343.
343. Yeah, if we make around 360, I think I'll be pretty stoked. So I want to keep it conservative, especially as it's French build and it's a drift car. So we'll see. Built bottom end, it should handle it. You're gonna be jealous after this one.
Yeah, it's cleaner than mine already, so I'm already jealous.
All right, I'm pretty pumped because this is my first time tuning a car that has a built bottom end, because I keep doing like stock motor tunes, and I think this might be the highest horsepower one yet.
We've got a lot of room to work with.
Fingers crossed. So this will be really cool. It's a fresh rebuild, so we'll see what happens. Everything on it's new, and now the ECU is behaving well. Finally, and
it's running great. Like the motor sounds fantastic.
yeah, I'm really impressed with it, and it's on a Mega Squirt MS2, so we're used to that. You guys know. So yeah, see what happens. All right, what do we forget here, boys?
They're gapped to like 2.8, I would say. Now they're not.
Keep the gaps tight.
Very scientifically done here.
There's the only way to do it. I don't think there's like a right way to close the gap. You just gotta.
Yeah,
Is it
there's a
really?
tool.
There is. It's nice.
What does it look like? Like a pair of pliers?
Yeah.
It's like you set your gap you want and you kind of squeeze it instead of having to smash it, you know?
No, I like to smash it.
Yeah, I was gonna say Mac got me one for Christmas, and I never used it.
I just dropped the plugs on the ground.
All right, guys. So we made this base map a couple days ago. I had to make the fuel map and the ignition map a little higher for the boost because it's set at 14 psi base. So first pull, no matter with the messiest numbers ever, this thing's gonna make some jams. So I'm excited to see what this baseline does. All right, so we just made what, 316. 316. So the map is super safe, it's super fat, and it's already making really good numbers. But we boosted a lot that time. We made 17 psi. So.
I need a hot dog. Roasted on the wastegate. Dude, what's up with your body line here? What's going on?
Oh my god, I wanted to talk to you about that. I'm so upset about how it came out. I really don't know why it's like that.
It'd be like that sometimes.
It sounds like an exhaust.
Did you get one?
Huh?
Did we get a little flame?
Yeah, oh yeah, we're gonna see flames.
Cool. Good. All right, second pull. Made 237 horsepower. Yeah, kind of freaked me out for a second, but I looked and I dug in the logs and everything was fine, which made me even more worried. I was thinking something might have happened, and I look and his distributor is actually loose. So it rotated itself as we were doing the pull, so it actually retarded the timing, which pulled all the power out of it. So, well, I'm assuming so. We're gonna fix it now and make sure it works.
What are we looking at?
$361. Finally making some jam. That's cool. It's pretty good power. So we actually made less boost, which makes sense. We put some timing in it, so brought down the back pressure a little bit, brings down the boost levels, or maybe the wastegate was being funky. Who knows? So we made 15 psi that time, and we picked up quite a bit of power. So it's doing pretty good so far. Guys, there it is, 366 power and 371 torque. Really nice curve too. So, and that's only at 15 psi. So we could turn the boost up plenty. The bottom end's good for it, and it'd probably pick up another 10 to 15 horse per psi, and it'd easily get to the 400 range pretty quick. But I think we're gonna let Brandon get used to the power.
Dude, I'm scared to drive this thing
Yeah,
home.
yeah. Your other, because he has another 240, which probably makes a $125.
Dude, it makes nothing. It's 100 horsepower. I swear.
He's gonna make 3 times the horsepower, so we'll let him wait till it feels slow, then we'll turn it up. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so car did great. I'm really excited. It was a fun time. KETs are the shit. They're really awesome. So we're gonna take off dyno, go have fun with it, and Brandon is now ready to drift on the 13th.
Oh yeah.
All right, ease into it.
All right, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
It's got completely bald tires.
Oh my god, that sounds crazy. Oh, that's so crazy.
No! Holy shit!
That's so fast,
Dude,
dude.
that felt like a roller coaster.
That is unreal.
Oh my gosh.
As soon as it hits full boost at 35, it just wants to
My vision
run.
literally got blurry.
That's awesome.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh my god, that is so cool.
Holy fuck.
Dude, these have the perfect balance of torque and power. Like,
Oh my god, dude. It's wild.
all right, so that car has definitely been a challenge. I haven't been filming it, but the past like 2 weeks I've been going down to his shop and helping him with it, and we finally got it good. ECU straight, tune came out amazing, car makes crazy power, and I can't wait for a ride along as a drift fan. But I'm so happy I got my interior in. It looks so good. Just take a moment to appreciate it. But we're gonna head up to Brian's shop to help Josh with his S14 KAT, because you guys know we blew the head gasket on it and we're swapping the engine.
Room service, can I plug your
Hi.
pillow? He said room service, can I fluff your pillow?
How you doing over here?
I'm doing good.
Let's see a good entry. Come on.
Oh god. Oh god. This game is ridiculous.
Good Manji. Come on. Come on, get it.
I was afraid of the cars, even though you can't hit them right now.
Oh, nice.
Oh god. Hold on. Just give me a second here.
All right, what do we have going on? Oh my god, it's a mess. It's always such a mess in here. All right, let's check it out. Oh, damn. Looks good. What do we got going on here? Ooh, it's finally out. Boom, bad head gasket KA, empty S14. Guys, as you guys know, his clutch failed at the track and he blew a head gasket all at once. That's the way to do it, right?
Yeah, all at once. It's the only way to do it.
So here's the new motor. It looks pretty good. I don't know what ridiculous color you painted the block, but it looks like, hey, I mean, it looks better than rust.
Something.
Just doing a couple of prayers for a friend of mine, so.
For JPS 14?
Yes, sir. You guys actually, you've seen JP on the channel before.
Yeah, he's a shit.
He helps Jimmy rebuild engines and stuff.
Wow, this quarter looks great. JP keeps smushing his corner in like me, but Brian keeps fixing it like
Yeah,
me.
Jimmy keeps smashing his left whole entire side, and JP keeps smashing his right rear, so. You guys stop doing it.
This is, did we ever name this car?
Steffi named it Kiki.
Did she?
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is now Kiki. So, Kiki. This Kiki's new engine right here, as we said before, is S13KA. We got it for the low, which is sick. S14KAs, S13KAs, same exact long block, but they use different accessories. So as long as you swap all your accessory overs, like the distributor, throttle body, probably something else, but those are the two ones that I know about off the top of the head. Swap them over, makes it into an S14KA, and we're ready to party.
Party.
And
Party hardy.
yeah, hopefully this one actually makes more power, because the other one didn't make a lot of power.
Valve cover gasket is different.
The $100 K is looking pretty good. Not bad.
Not bad.
Hopefully, there's no round knocker or head gasket blown. Alright, since we're here for kind of an update, I figured I'd give you guys an update on the Mark II because it's been a long time. So, Brian actually finished up the downpipe and most of the exhaust, so that's basically on. We've been waiting on the engine harness for a while now. Basically, the engine harness and intercore piping and fluids, and she's ready to start up. So, once that comes in, we're ready to go. Right, B?
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, no, I'm excited too.
Alright, so since it seems to be like a KAT kind of day, I guess, we've been doing a lot of this lately. I don't know how, but I don't even own one. I don't, but whatever. Big one with KAs. They have this timing retainer guide, I guess you can call it. So there's this piece of hard plastic that's actually helped to prevent the chain from slapping the valve cover, but all it does is slap this and destroy it, and this will break and get in your engine. It's a mess. So just take it off. I'm pretty sure Nissan like sent something out in the 90s saying to remove it, or there was a recall for it because they just kept breaking. You don't need it.
Don't need it.
Josh, hopefully your car makes more than 200 horsepower this time.
Yes. I'm not going to make what he made today, obviously.
I mean, with enough boost you can.
Oh, boy.
No bad boost controller.
Yeah. Give it a shot.
At least this one looks good. So, with that, I'm just going to end it. So, Josh, say it.
Like, comment, subscribe,
Uh-huh.
and have a good night.
Well, you missed one.
I did?
Stay tuned for more content.
Oh, you gotta stay tuned for more content. Fuck!
All right, guys. What we need to do is like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Jimmy,
have a great night. so weird from this one.